Kitchen Confidential AI is here. Listen up, you donkey. The food world is changing faster than a speed cooking round on Hell's Kitchen. We're not just talking fancy gadgets. We're talking artificial intelligence, AI for short. Yeah, you heard that right. AI is invading our kitchens, farms, and everything in between. But before you start picturing robot chefs taking over, hold your horses. Let's break down how AI is actually spicing things up in the food world. AI is doing everything from helping farmers grow more food to making sure your dinner is cooked perfectly. It's like having a Michelin star sous chef working behind the scenes, making sure every dish is a masterpiece. And the best part, AI is making food tastier, healthier, and more sustainable. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the future of food, where AI is the secret ingredient. AI on the farm, smarter than your average tractor. Forget tractors. We're talking drones and robots that are smarter than a whole flock of sheep. These high-tech helpers are using AI to revolutionize farming. Imagine drones scanning fields, spotting diseases before you can say pesticides, and robots picking fruits and veggies with the precision of a brain surgeon. That's the future, and it's happening right now. AI is like a farmer's best friend, helping to grow more food with less water and fewer chemicals. That means bigger, tastier crops and a healthier planet. Take John Deere, for example. They're using AI to create self-driving tractors that can plow fields with incredible accuracy, saving farmers time and money. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. From farm to fork, AI's got your back. AI is not just changing the way we grow food, it's revolutionizing the entire journey from farm to fork. Ever worried about food safety? AI's got you covered. Smart sensors are popping up everywhere, tracking food temperatures, detecting bacteria, and making sure your food is as safe as a Michelin star restaurant. But wait, there's more. AI is also making sure your food arrives at the supermarket as fresh as can be. Smart algorithms are optimizing delivery routes, reducing food waste, and getting those groceries to your table faster than ever before. So next time you bite into a juicy tomato, thank AI for making sure it's the best damn tomato you've ever tasted. You are what you AI personalized grub. Get ready for the future of food, where every meal is tailored to your taste buds and your DNA. AI is about to make personalized nutrition a reality. Imagine getting a customized meal plan based on your dietary needs, allergies, and even your fitness goals. No more fad diets, just delicious, healthy food that's perfect for you. Apps like Noom and Fujicate are already using AI to track your eating habits and provide personalized recommendations. But this is just the beginning. In the future, AI-powered chefs could be whipping up personalized meals based on your unique preferences and nutritional needs. Talk about a recipe for success.